The Dominator 1 is a GSM interception system for tactical usage and was developed for use in countries using the A51 encryption system. The system is composed of three major parts: the laptop, which controls the operation of the system, the BTS subsystem, which transmits and receives information from the target, and the active station subsystem, which communicates with the mobile operator base station via 4 independent full duplex channels. The base station is connected to 2 very small directional antennas which transmit and receive information to and from the target. The antennas can be mounted on tripods. The connection between the boxes and the laptop is by network and USB cables. The entire installation and connection process is very fast and simple. The system is very small and lightweight. The 2 boxes together weigh only 5.6 kilograms, and it can easily be transported in a small trolley suitcase. The system can also operate from a vehicle's DC power source by the optional addition of a DC-AC converter. As an option, the Dominator system can be ordered in a rugged, weatherproof Pelican trolley-type attaché case. The Dominator 1 is the only system of its kind in the world that operates in a fully non-detectable and transparent mode. The system works in an active method of operation, which means it transfers the communications between the target and the mobile operator base station. However, even though it is an active system, it is totally undetectable by the user and by the operator. The following will demonstrate how easy the operation of the system is. The setup time is very short. Immediately after the software is up and running, a setup phase is required to set system parameters. This process may take about 30 seconds. Immediately after this phase, the system will start collecting traffic information and in parallel will record conversations of 4 targets simultaneously. We are now going to see the system setup process. The first task is to set up the system BTS channel. We enter the mobile operator code number and check mark the test process. The test will study the mobile operator location area code and the reception level of each RF channel in this cell. After 10 seconds, we can program the system BTS with location area code and set the system RF channel. Now, the system BTS transmits its signal and creates a new cell in order to capture the targets into the system. The registration of all subscribers in the local cell is beginning. The important information that is collected in this registration phase is the IMSI and the IMEI of the subscribers. If targets are already in the area, the system will show their mobile telephone information. This is a very important phase because the system is gathering intelligence information about subscribers even when they are not conversing. The information gathered includes the location of the subscribers, their mobile phone type, the actual telephone number, MSISDN, including the country code if they are foreigners. It will also detect if the subscriber replaces his SIM card or mobile phone unit. After registration, the system will present all activities of the target telephone in the protocol window. These activities include outgoing calls, dialed numbers, DTMF, incoming calls, calling numbers, SMS content and data, periodic location update, power on/off, etc. The communication between the system and the mobile operator is shown in the receiver window through its 4 channels. The active station also has a 5th channel to support the continuous reception of incoming calls. The system simultaneously records conversations and SMS in 4 channels from any subscriber that is registered in the system. This process is called random mode. What is being shown here is the automatic recording of random subscribers in the system. The system disk can actually record more than 10,000 calls.
I am downstairs in my car. Can you please tell me documental something? Okay.
As you can see, the target is now making a call and the system records it automatically. The stored conversation can be played back at a later time via the recording window. The system automatically stores every call in dedicated folders that are arranged in order of date and individual target. The system displays all the call data information involved in the conversation. As we can hear, the recorded voice of both the caller and the called party is very clear, and the recording is of very high quality. It is also easy to read SMSs belonging to the target or to any subscriber that sends an SMS through the system. The system presents SMSs in any language that is supported by Windows XP. The system records the conversation-related information in a huge Access database in Microsoft Access format. It gives the ability to easily search for a specific call or search for some interesting parameters. The Access format enables information to be exported to any external database for further investigation. The operator's main task is to detect the real target from a list of unknown subscribers. There are many methods which are studied in the operational course. One of the methods is using the target correlation tool. The tool compares the list of subscribers with or without the targets. The result of this comparison is the target parameters. When identifying a target with a correlation tool, or by other techniques, the system operator will save the target identifying numbers in a target database. After working in random mode and detecting the targets, it is better to focus on the reception of the targets only and reject all other subscribers. To intercept only the targets from the target database, the operator must activate filters. There are two filtering possibilities: by IMSI, which is the SIM card identity, and by IMEI, which is the equipment identity. At this moment, all other subscribers start re-registering in another base station, and the system will be free to record and serve only the targets. The system can control the power of transmission. The standard configuration can work at a distance of 100 to 150 meters in an urban area. In areas where the population is much less, the transmission can cover as much as 1 kilometer. The system can be ordered with an optional feature enabling it to cover a very great distance of up to 2 kilometers. As you can see, the Dominator 1 system is conveniently small, portable, and very easy to operate. The Dominator 1 is the only fully operational active system on the market today that is completely transparent and non-detectable. The probability of target capturing is 100%, and the quality of interception is absolute.